Hello guys, this is Beyblade channel and today we will gonna unbox a burst Beyblade. So stay tuned guys. Oh hello guys, and I'm back. This is Beyblade channel here. And before we start, there's a copyright claim on my previous videos. So I don't know what's the reason. For sure I will not put some background music on this video. So let's start. Okay, this is my Union Achilles from Takaratomi. This is a not new Beyblade. This is one of the old Beyblades from Burst series. So this is the combo, the Achilles gadget chip, Retsu. The layer is Union, the weight is Convert, and the driver is Extend Plus. I just wanna share with you this Beyblade. This is one of my favorite. Okay, and this is will gonna go in my collection, and then as you can see it's sealed. I ordered this online and this is the price, only 440. So let's start. Let's open it. This is my version of unboxing of this Beyblade. If you like my unboxing, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is my own version of unboxing of this Union Achilles. So yeah, this Beyblade comes with only the Beyblade. It has no launcher inside. So this is the content of the box. First we got this pamphlet or this flyer. Okay, we already knew that. So this is the content of the box. We got the stickers, the manuals, and the manuals. And this is the Beyblade. Let me get this bad boy. Oh yeah. So here's the Union Achilles. Way back before I got a flame brand of this Beyblade. The driver is not so good because I don't know. Let's open this plastic with X-Acto knife and let's compare it with the other Beyblade. Okay, let's set aside this box. Yeah, the weight, this the driver and the layer. So this is the layer. Let's get the gadget chip and this Retsu. This is the gimmick of the Union Achilles. I don't know what do you call this part. This is the layer. You have to put this on here. Looks good. Looks pretty good. Okay, Let's put them all. Let's put them together. By the way, let's see the teeth. Right. Wow. You can feel if the Beyblade is fake or legit when you hold it. This is the weight, and it has gimmick, balance, I think. You have to rotate this plastic on the other side and lock it. This is the convert. I think when you put this on this way, this arrow on this arrow, it goes on balance mode, I think. Please comment down below. I don't have any idea. I just watch the other YouTubers how they unbox this Beyblade. And this is the Extend Plus driver. Looks pretty good. Wow. This it has a color clear red, because in the Flame brand this is not a clear, this is just a plain red. This is the first mode, the second mode, and the last mode. I think this is the stamina mode. This is the semi-flat, and this is the flat, I think. Wow. Let's put them together. You hear the click, and voila. This is my Union Achilles, and it's pretty heavy. Okay, let's compare on Infinite Achilles. This is from Flame brand. As of now, I don't have the Takatomi version. Set side by side. And the other in the bottom. The sides. For me, the design much more like, I like this one more than this one, but you can feel this edge, it's more embossed than this one. So there you have it, guys, my unboxing of Union Achilles. Thanks for watching. Thank you for your support, and see you on my next review, unboxing, and battle videos. Thank you guys, and see you.